here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing kind of like a get ready with me video, but not really. I decided to film this video because I wanted to put makeup on anyway because I'm filming. Anyway, I just want to give a shout out to Upbra, you guys. They sent me another one, and if you guys have been watching my videos, you know that I love me some Upbra. I like using Upbra. I am actually using one right now. Anyway, the packaging looks like this. I got two. I got the nude one and the black one. The ones that I already have, they are strapless. This is a perfect t-shirt bra. So it looks like that. Perfect t-shirt bra. What I love the most about Upbra is the grip. Like these grips here, because it really helps keep, like, you know, the bra up there and not fall off. And like, hello people. And this is the cleavage adjust thingy majiggy. So if you want more lift, you can adjust the strap. So I will be showing you guys quickly the comparison. This is me not using the Upbra, and that's with the Upbra. And you can see the difference. If you guys are interested, links will be below. Alright, so I will go ahead and start. Again, this is going to be really simple, you guys. I don't really wear eyeshadow, plus I don't like contour and all that. But yeah, nothing fancy, nothing glam at all. This is just what I do, so I will just go ahead and show you guys. I will go ahead and start with primer. I have been using the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. This is oil-free primer and I love it. I have oily skin, and this primer being oil-free helps a lot. Sometimes if I go out and I don't really want to wear makeup and I don't want to look like a grease ball because I have oily skin, I just put this primer on and then that's it. Look at that. It gives a glow on your face but not like you're oily looking, so I really like it. Now, the foundation that I have been using lately, guys, and I have been loving is the Ordinary foundation. This was given to me by Nice of All Stuff Nice on YouTube. The shade is 2.1Y medium yellow undertones, which is perfect for my skin tone, especially now that I have a lot of tan going on. I actually have showed this already on my other like sit down get ready with me video. This is the foundation that I brought with me in Mount Gambier, right? And then my friends were like, your face looks really good. The foundation leaves a really nice finish on the face. The brush that I have been using with that foundation as well is this. This I got from GearBest. It's in a set, so it doesn't really have like a specific brand. It leaves a really nice natural finish and it's not thick whatsoever, so it's not full coverage. The undertone of this foundation is just on point as well, especially for my skin tone. It has a pump. The pump doesn't have a lid, so you just have to twist the pump to unlock the pump and then twist it back to lock it. Not the fanciest, but it looks really nice on the face, so I love this. Alright, next up will be the brows. Now, I have been using this eyebrow product lately. This is the Detail Make Brow. Sobrang tagal na sa akin ito, guys. The middle shade is what I use, and then I use this brush. This is from, I think, Romwe, the website that I get clothes from, and then they have some makeup as well. My brows are so bushy right now. Before I started using this eyebrow powder again, I was really into eyebrow pencils. Like I was using the Daiso one and then the Benefit one. So what I usually do is I start from the middle to the arch of my brow and then to the tip, and then after I do both brows, I start and fill in the inner corner. I just don't want a lot of product on the brush when I do the inner corner. That's why I do them last. So now that I have finished like from the middle to the tips of my brows, I will then start and fill in like the inner corners without adding more product on the brush. So very lightly fill in the inner corners, like very, very lightly. I don't want the inner corners to look really dark. I want it to have that gradient. Char, char, char. Now, I will go ahead and apply concealer, but I will stop right here and film another video for the concealer because I will be filming a first impression review of the Tarte Shape Tape. I am really, really freaking excited to try this one out, and I want to film it, and then I'll be back. I am back. I use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Alright, I'll go ahead and apply powder. So I will be using W7 Banana Dreams Loose Powder. This is the powder with the yellow undertone. To powder my under eyes, I always use, and this is the best brush because it's just perfectly tapered like that. This is from Zoeva, the 105 Luxe Highlight Brush. I use this to put powder under my eyes. It's just perfect for under eyes because it just fits right in there. And then I will be using the same powder to powder all over my face. I am using the really cute Kabuki brush from Sephora PH. Alright, so that's for our base. Now I will go ahead and finish up my eyes. So again, I don't wear eyeshadow, so I will just go ahead and curl my eyebrows. Curl my eyebrows. I will go ahead and curl my lashes and then put I will go ahead and curl my lashes and put on mascara. The eyelash curler that I use is from Etude house. This is like one of my favorite eyelash curlers. It is just the perfect size for me. The shape of this is just perfect for my eyelashes as well. That's why I like this so much. And I remember I got this for only 89 pesos sa Etude house. Ay! Oh my gosh, don't hurt my mask, Bo. I got that from Etude House sa Philippines, 89. I do not know if they still have it, but it looks like this. It's pink and I've had this for so long, like what, 3-4 years. Now for my mascara, I will be using my Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. This is the mascara with a massive wand. Look at that one. For mascaras, Maybelline all the way. One of my all-time favorite is the Falsies, and I still use it. I always still repurchase the Falsies. Now this one is really good as well. Tingnan nyo yan compared to the other one. See? For me, Maybelline has the best like mascara formula because they're not wet and they stay on your lashes. I mean, at least it stays on my lashes the whole day. I don't like wet formula mascaras because I just feel like they weigh down my lashes and they just don't keep my curls. And that is pretty much it for the eyes. I don't put on eyeliner, nothing like that, just mascara, you guys, because I have contacts on and my eyes are just, I don't know, they're the most sensitive eyes in the world. Highlighter, I have been using the Wet n Wild Megaglo Highlighting Powder. This one is in the shade Precious Petals. Now, what I like using for my highlighter is this brush here. I got this from one of the like websites from China. It's tapered and it just like applies my highlight really nicely. I can focus on that area there where like I want my highlight to buy. So look at that. That looks really good. So I just dab like that. This brush is perfect for highlighting the tip of your nose as well and your cupid's bow. There you go. See? If you're struggling looking for a highlight brush, look for like a small tapered one that looks like this. Kind of like a blending brush, actually. A blending brush. This is exactly like a bigger version of like the eyeshadow blending brush. Now for the blush, I will be using the Etude House Lovely Cookie Blusher number 11. And I will just use this brush. This is from GearBest as well. One of those like 24 pieces or 32 pieces brush set. I just apply it on my cheeks like so. I love this blush, you guys, for summer especially because it has that very subtle peach shade. Now that's pretty much it for my face. I will go ahead and put lipstick on. This was given to me by, it's either Kerwin of Kiwi Kawaii sa YouTube or Belle from Jobelita. Binigyan nila kasi ako ng Nichido na Ultra Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color. Just different shades but very similar. So hindi ko na alam kung saan galing. This is the shade Chic Cafe. But I love it. I love it on the lips. The formula is very light, very easy to apply actually. This is not like the most pigmented liquid lipstick out there, but it actually feels really comfortable on the lips. It dries pretty quickly. And you guys, that is it for this very simple everyday makeup look. I know paulit-ulit yung makeup looks ko. It's just that's what I do. just different products. And that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like this video if you enjoyed. Please let me know in the comments as well if you want to see more of these. Like, do you want to see more makeup videos? I do not know. Maybe I will try, like, you know, some makeup looks. Again, I'm not a pro, so I can't really like give you like glam, but I will do my best if you want me to do that at all. Do you want to see more reviews of like products? Obviously, I cannot get products from the Philippines because I'm here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye. Mwah.